Welcome back to the Guangfu channel, and I am here today at the staircase. Where are we going to go? Where do we go? Are we going to the mountain? Are we going to buy a wheelchair? Let's find out. Let's go. Follow me. Hey, I want to play the bowling game. How much is one game?
60.
Whoa, I'm VIP.
50.
I'll buy one game. First, I need to get some bowling shoes, so I had to find my size. Size 9.
Size 9.
Hey, sorry, my shoes are really dirty.
No problem.
These shoes are way better than my shoes. Do I have to give them back?
Yes.
Man. Okay. Woo! Look at that, man. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at this. Cool. Got the shoes. Got the ticket. Let's go get a ball. Now I have to find the ball. This one. Perfect color because if I don't like bowling, then I can play basketball. This thing right here is called the ball return track. Any minute now, one of these balls is gonna pop out of here. I can hear it. Is it here? Ah, yeah. Told you, it's right there. Okay, right over here we have, this is my favorite place. Right here, here's where I spend most of my time when I play bowling. But if you're good, you want to go in the middle. The lane, all the way down there to those 10 pins. This computer is how you start to play the bowling game. One more thing, before we play the game, we have to use this ball. You're gonna need 3 holes and 3 fingers. This one, and I don't know. Liana, can you teach me how to do this?
Sure. Just like Spider-Man, you know. So you need 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Professional. Nobody look! No! It was close. It was called gutter ball, but it was close.
Let's go to the zoo and jump like the kangaroos do.
Hey, getting better.